Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes BitLocker. This device cannot use a trusted platform module in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates under Computer Configuration. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand BitLocker Drive Encryption. Click Operating System Drives. Open Require additional authentication at startup. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type GP update /force. Type exit from command prompt. Open File Explorer, this PC. Right-click C Drive, turn on BitLocker. Click Enter a password. Click Next. Backup BitLocker key. Click Save to File or any other option. Click Save. Click Next. Click Continue. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.